everyone. Today we are going to introduce how to read the digital input of A6 board. A6 board have 6 digital input ports. In last video, we have introduced how to read the input state. We use the digital read function to get the state. In this video, we will use another method to get the input state. When we encounter many I/O expansion chips simultaneously mounted on the same I2C bus, we need to send and receive data use the wire bus. This way is stable, convenient, and fast. Okay, today we will introduce how to write the program in Arduino IDE. This code is the last video we write. In this video, we'll use another way to get the digital input state. Okay, let's begin. In this way, we will use the wire bus. So we need to add the wire library. And we need to start the wire. Here we input the SDA pin and the SCL pin. The SDA pin is 4 and the SCL pin is 15. Okay, next we set the pin mode to input and start the PCF8574 chip. In loop function, we will not use this function. We write a for function to detect the input state. In this code, if the digital read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is low, it will print input 1 is triggered or input 2 is triggered. In last video, we create the variable, but in this video, we didn't create anyone. We use the wire transmission to get the digital input state. We can write a function like this. We will use this command and write code, write data, and transmission. These 3 commands to send the digital input state. And this is the address. Because our chip's address is 22, so we set it 22. And we use the write command to set the digital input state. And next, we end the transmission. This means when the digital input is triggered, it will send the data through the wire bus to ESP32 chip, and finally print the input is triggered command through the serial port. Okay, we can download this code and test it. Okay, we can open the serial monitor. When we trigger the input 2, it will print input 2 is triggered. Okay, this is another way to get the digital input state. Thanks for watching.